welcome back to my channel. My name is Dayna if you are new and just coming to my channel. Today we're going to do a little cleaning in my bedroom, but mainly we're going to get my daughter's clothes organized in her closet. Why am I in my room then? Because I put her clothes in my closet. She is 5 years old. I've always had her clothes in my closet because her room used to be here in my room. I have like a separate room. It's weird. I'll have to show you sometime. But I'm not ready to move her clothes to the room where she's in now because there's not enough room in that closet. But I do need to go through and pull out all the summer clothes and the clothes that don't fit her anymore. And while we kind of clean and get my room ready for that, I just thought I'd kind of chat with you for a second. How do you guys organize your kids' clothes? Like, how do you pass down sizes and whatnot? I have 4 girls and they're like 2 years apart, and so I always have to store the clothes before I pass them down to the next kid. But with my last one, she's the last one. Like, I don't need to store those clothes anymore. So I've been finding friends that have daughters that are just younger than Ashley so I can pass those clothes directly down to them. So that's what I've been doing, and it's sad to see her clothes go. But at the same time, I like knowing that they're going to a friend and that Ashley knows who they're going to. So anyway, let's do this. Let's clean up this room really quick and get it ready for me to put the clothes in here and sort through them and bag them up. And then we'll go from there. so we're all done. Let me show you what we've got here. I've got a pile of clothes that I'm going to see if my neighbor wants. We have a little girl that lives next to us. She's like 2.5, and I'm going to see if her mom wants those. And then that is another bag of donated stuff. I'm going to see if other friends want those. And then I have all those pink hangers that I am done with, and I can finally get rid of those. This is actually a dress that I helped make, and the strap broke and I haven't fixed it. So I'm going to go fix that. Here's my jeans. I'll show you the pile of jeans in my closet. I'm going to try and see if Ashley will wear these this year. Who knows? This one, let's go here. And then I have a pile. This here on the floor is just garbage. Like, they're so worn out that it's not worth saving them anymore. Okay, so now we're in my closet. This is Ashley's stuff, and you can see I've got it all back in here now. We'll start over here on this side. We've got short sleeve shirts, some new, some passed down. Then we've got some long sleeve shirts and sweaters. And then over here are her pants and that one little jumper that she wore on the first day. So cute. And then we've got the dresses and skirts. And then the summer stuff that still fits her can be used for next year. And summer dresses and whatnot, those cute Hawaiian dresses, I might keep forever because I can't get rid of them. So anyway, that is it. I've got her all organized and ready for school. She's only on her 3rd day of school, so I'm not really late to the game quite yet. Alright, you guys, that is it. I'm glad to get these closets finally all cleared out. I've done my 3 other daughters' closets already, so she was the last one that I needed to get done. So I hope you kind of see my process, how I one-handed things down. I had things set aside in a space saver bag ready for Ashley to use this fall and the winter. And I got that into the closet. I already did a little bit at the beginning of the summer in terms of that with the long sleeve shirts. Just had to finish it up. I didn't show you the jeans, but I got piles of jeans in my closet. I've got to try and convince this little girl to start wearing jeans. But that's kind of it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and come back for more by clicking on subscribe and the little bell. The little bell is going to show you exactly when I post, which is 5 days a week. We are going to do cleaning. We're going to do decluttering and organizing. We can do some cooking going into the fall, have some fun recipes. If you want to see how to make applesauce, leave a comment below because I make applesauce. I won't make it this year unless you ask me to show you how, and then I totally can. And then we do day in the life. It'll be my husband and I during the week a lot. If he's off on Thursdays and Fridays, so we'll tend to do kind of a day in the life of us here at home, and then bringing you with our kids when they get home from school. But we hope you will come and enjoy our channel, and we hope you enjoyed this video. All right, you guys, take care. Bye-bye.